Hey everyone, I'm out here in a vast area and I was told that there was a cabin out here, like a servant's quarter out here, and I've been using zero discrimination on my Garrett Vortex, and excuse the wind, but I don't know how to get out of it. And I have found the location of where the house stood, and I've got a 52 signal here. Well, I've got the shovel where it's at, so I'm gonna dig this up and see what it is. Alright, so the signal's here in the plug, and there's a lot of iron with it. Let's see if I can find it. Oh, there it is, right there. A piece of copper or brass. It was a scratchy 52, so it wasn't as solid as if it was a coin. But I was hoping it was going to be a coin. Alright. First find at the servants' quarters. See you on the next find. Alright, so my next find is pretty interesting. This is some sort of maybe a souvenir. It's a piece of aluminum. It's got a etched building. I think it's that triangle building on a corner. It says German-American building. It probably says Liberty Street, New York. That is so cool. This is way down in South Alabama. And we've got a souvenir from New York at a servant's quarters. That is cool. Not bad for a second find. See you on the next one. Alright, so I got a real strong 80 signal here. I'm thinking it's going to be a penny. But here, there's no telling. Alright, it's down here at the bottom of the hole. See if I got it. Yep, oh, looks like a button maybe. Oh no, wait. A grommet? Are you kidding? Well, that's better than nothing. It's a good piece of copper. That's a good sign anyway. It's only about 4 inches or so deep. Yeah, about 4 inches. But glad to be here. See you on the next one. Sorry folks, I know this wind is rough. I'm having a hard time kind of walking against it. But I just found a Model T valve stem with the retaining nut. At least that's what I think it is, and it's not a tractor tire valve stem. I don't see anything written on it. So, anyway, I'm gonna keep looking. Alright everybody, it's been a while since I found anything, but I just found this, and I'm thinking that maybe this is a Model T Ford points piece. I don't see anything written on it, but I think it's the Ford Model T points that would have the 2 ears off the side. Not sure. It's a cool find anyway. See you on the next one. I'm not really sure what this is, but I believe that this is a battery core. It looks non-metallic, but it rings up a 40, and it looks like there's a piece of metal right there in the middle. I believe that would be a battery core. See you on the next find. Well, I have no idea what this is. But this is entirely, looks like it's entirely made out of lead. I was gonna say a battery clamp holder, but it's not that. But it's entirely made out of lead. I'll have to see if I can put this on IDB and see if I can find out what that is. Unusual, but interesting. See you on the next one. Alright, well, I got an 88 signal here. It had gone up to 90. And it's kind of deep. I hope you can hear me over this wind. Oh, it looks like a button, maybe. Well, kind of a ring-looking thing. Maybe a collar to something. I got another signal right here, so I'm going to look at that too. Some sort of a collar to something. Make sure there's nothing else in the hole. Nothing else. A little bit of glass, I think. Yep, piece of glass. Alright, we'll see you on the next one. This is a really cool relic. This is it says Dr. Bell's Pine Tar Honey Cures Cough. That is the coolest relic I've probably ever found. And I was walking back to the car, so imagine that. It was deep. It was, oh goodness. It was over a pinpointer deep. Got it on the last scoopful. So that is awesome. I'll have to come back tomorrow because I am so cold and it is so windy. The sun is getting behind the clouds, so definitely have to come back here. See, when I get to the house, I may do a wrap up.